Happy Africa Month, Young Explorers. So, the entire month of May has been dedicated to celebrating Africa, celebrating our unity, our diversity, our culture, and most importantly, Young Explorers, our history. So, that means whether you're from Nigeria, Ghana, Botswana, Uganda, South Africa, Angola, Mali, wherever you're from, this month is a reminder to appreciate our unity and to understand deeply our history. Africa is blessed and filled with so many amazing things. And you know what makes it even special? You, young explorers, yes, you make it even more special. So, wherever you go, whatever you do, carry Africa with pride and appreciate your beauty. You are beautiful just the way you are. Happy African Month, young explorers. Bye bye.